Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about ceiling fan brain rot, about these ceiling fans falling down with AIs on it. So yeah, I'm going to talk about that. Alright, so check out this channel. The channel is full of AIs, stupid about this. Ceiling fans falling. Hey, these. Look at these. Even one got catalyst. Joshua's catalyst falling. Like, bruh, no one gonna believe this shit because it's fucking AI. You get it? It's AI. So, anyways, I got a few videos to show about this channel, and credits to the guy who's making those AI stupid videos. I don't want to get copyrighted. Just look at this. It's not even real. It's not even real. Oh my god. What the heck is this? Like, no one's gonna believe this. Anyways, real life story. My mom found this channel. She decided to show me this channel, and she believed it's real. Like, what the fuck? Like, this is AI shit. It's not even real. I mean, like, real ceiling fans will be, like, not having, like, AI shits, cause, yes. And my mom decided to show me this channel, and I cringed the fuck out by watching these videos. Cause she thought it would be funny to see the ceiling fans fall down. Like, when it's AI, it's not even funny. So, yeah, here's some videos. We'll talk about it. Shut up, Adam. Okay, this one is actually real. This one's actually real. Like, okay, this is weird. Okay, so we're gonna go to the most popular.
Oh my goodness!
This is what
Look
exactly
out.
my mom showed me. It's not even funny at all. Look at comments. Okay, so I'm gonna comment this. No one's gonna believe this except my mom. Like, no one's gonna believe this. How did it change to 4 blades? Okay, look at this. Okay, so it's not running. It's just got changed to 4 blade. It's clearly AI. It's clearly AI. Yep, no one's gonna believe this. No one's gonna believe this. Alright. Let's watch some more. All the rant. All the cringe that got. Okay, how did I just... Okay, that is not real. Anyways, here's ceiling fan brain rot. Never believe these wobbling fan videos, fan falling and shit. This is just brain rot to make other people believe this is real. So, if anyone sees this, please be aware of this guy. He's stupid. Makes ceiling fan brain rot videos. Bye, y'all.